it comes to SEO best practices, the primary thing any SEO expert or any small business need to understand, or even large business or enterprise, produce content not for search engines, but for people. Google algorithm over the years evolved so well that they now can understand when people are trying to manipulate SEO. So you actually need to go ahead and produce useful content that either answers questions or gives people useful information about a product or a service. Now, that doesn't exclude certain other SEO practices. For example, if you try to target a certain keyword on Google, you would need to take that keyword and put it, let's say, in your heading one, in your title, in your paragraphs. You would still need to include that keyword on a landing page. But if in the past 10, 15 years ago, you could just put a keyword and rank for that, nowadays it doesn't work like that. You actually need to produce content that is useful for people and actually answers people's questions, concerns, etc.